Hello guys, welcome today to my YouTube channel. My name is Jeremiah Daniel, aka Jerry Keys, the crypto musician. Yeah, welcome today to my page. If you are new subscriber, we welcome you. Thank you for joining the family. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button, like this video, and also share to your friends. Welcome. This is a place where we talk about updates, forex, crypto, and anything that has to do with money. We basically want to provide solutions and all. You get it? If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always coming. Thank you for always being part of this family, and I appreciate you so much. So today I'm going to be talking about 100royal. So 100royal is a gaming platform, right? But the difference is it's just like your normal game, just like every other game you play, like your Candy Crush and stuff like that. But the difference is that you're using money to play it. So as you're using your money to play it, it's like you're staking, it's like a gambling, like a betting platform, but you are going to be making money playing those games, right? So I'm going to be showing you about the platform and everything you need to know about the platform, and I want to really do this as fast as I can. So let's go over to the site, how to register and all. So I'll click on my Chrome or any of your browser, and then I'll put in the link, right? 100royal, just 2 countries here. So you can just choose anyone, choose maybe Russia or Nigeria, because I can't see, it's not sliding, so it's just Nigeria. Maybe it's just available for just that 2 countries, right? So this is my first time registering, so I don't know about that. Okay, so join Royal Agent Team and earn 100,000. Click anything, just click this X button here. Click this X. So we are going to sign up here, right? To register. Put in your email address, right? I'm going to put in my email address. My gmail.com, right? gmail.com. I'm going to put in my password. And now I'm going to put in the captcha. Captcha is actually talking about these symbols here by the right, this TGYF. I'm going to put it the way I see it there, small letter TGY, and that's a capital letter Y, and then your F, right? And I click the box to confirm. Why did you go back? So in case it does this, please just click on the link again to the website, so that you don't go out of the referral link, so that you can be on my team, right? So I'm going to right, and then the captcha now is something by your right, this letter C by your right, PP5Y. So PP, small letter P, PP5, and then Y, right? Click on this box to confirm that I am a team. When you check the box and you click on sign up, that's it, right? You've done this, right? Exit. Now the next thing you want to do is to deposit. You can see how the site looks like. First thing you want to do is to deposit on the site. So once you click there, this is button for withdrawal, this is the button for deposit. You can see that the lowest amount to deposit is actually 2,000 naira, and then the highest amount is over 1 million, right? Over 1 million naira. So you can stake any amount you want to stake. There are some people that actually click on this 2,000 naira and they end up sending 500 naira and they get credited. I haven't done it before, but I'm going to do this 2,000 naira deposit, right? And once you click on it, you can see that they are saying they want to give you extra 100 naira. Please don't click on that extra 100 naira. Don't click on the extra 100 naira. Just click on this do not participate in promotions. The reason is, if you collect that 100 naira bonus, even when you win, you have to play a long time before you can withdraw. So just go with your money like that. There are other bonuses ahead in front of the stuff, so you don't need their stuff there, right? So click on deposits, right? It will take you to a page where you make your money. So confirm to pay, right? So now this is going to open like this for you, right? So you copy this account number by clicking that checkbox. You can see it. So when you click it, you will have to go and pay with your bank app and come back here and click I have paid, check now. Do you understand? So I'll minimize, go over to my balance to make the payments, right? So yeah, I'm going to make payment to Wema. Show me later. Wema, right? So I'm going to pay 2,000 naira, the same amount that I said I wanted to deposit. So no narration, nothing else. You can see MFI PC Digital Solutions Limited. Proceed, pay. Transferred, right? So I'll come back here and click I have paid, check now. Your money will be confirmed in few minutes, right? So I'll go back. I'll have to go back. So you click on I have paid. See that I have paid. You don't need to download the app. You can actually do it on your phone, right? So this except you want to download it. So you click on X. Cancel of payment will lose 100% bonus. You can see that the money has been credited 2,000 naira in my balance, right? So the next thing we want to do is playing the game, right? Now this is the game. This is all the games in this site, right? You can see this is my profile. This is my profile, right? Bet. I've not bet any money, right? And in these places, like they borrowed me money, you can see it's showing 20,000 naira. Meanwhile, you didn't really put 20,000. It's just this thing. So this deposit is showing 2,000 naira of 10,000, right? So as I'm playing game, all the bets that I'm betting is going to be showing in this place, and then this place too will start getting filled, right? So if I want to withdraw, I'll come here to click on withdraw, and it will show me my available balance, right? And the amount, I'll just put in the amount I want to withdraw and where I want to withdraw to, right? Number of withdrawals is in current VIP 0 level 1. Withdrawal fee is 3%. Minimum withdrawal is 2,000. Maximum withdrawal is 1 million, right? And opening time for withdrawal is 24/7. So withdrawal time is around 10 minutes, which is really confirmed. Make sure your withdrawal information is accurate, blah blah blah. Please feel free to contact us if any issue. Where can you withdraw to? You can withdraw to your bank. You can see it. Bank type. You can see name of account and person that the account that is in your name, card holder name, bank account number, your phone number, and then your email address. That's if you want to make withdrawal, right? Now, that's for if you want to make deposits. But this is where we'll be seeing all the games that we want. If you want to join the Telegram group, you can join here. Customer care is here. Invitation bonus. You want to refer your friend. This is the invitation link. Your invite code, right? So yeah, you can go through all of these. Let's choose a game now. So there are different kinds of game here, and it depends on what you actually want to play. This is Fortune Tiger. It gives a lot of money, but it's very risky. This is Egypt Book of Mystery. It gives a lot of money too, but it's very risky. So you just click on it and then you click on play, right? You click on play. It's just like game. You can see it. It will load. It's a game, but you are using your money to play it. Do you understand? So it gives money, but you choose your stake. Before you touch this thing, make sure you choose your stake, how much you want to bet. You can see that I'm reducing it. Minimum bet is 15 naira, right? You can see my balance is 2,000 naira. You can see this 3 wire there. So if you play it now, it means it has to pick randomly the same image. Do you understand? To show that you are winning, right? Let's check another one. This fortune tiger is too serious. There's one that they call mines. That's the one I want to show you guys. That mines. Let's go to home. Mine is very, very simple. All you just need to do is choose. Look at the mines here. So just choose game rules. You can check game rules, place a bet, choose the amount of bombs, and then press bet. It's very, very simple, right? Next. So you have to be choosing all these diamonds, but you must not click on that bomb. If you click on the bomb, you lose. But if you click on the mines, you eat it, right? So start the game. Now look at, we have total number of bombs here is 4, and then we have 21 mines. So in this total now we have 21 mines and 4 bombs. What you should do first is to reduce your money, right? So choose number of mines. So if I choose this 24 and 1, now it shows that there's 24 of this thing here, but there's just 1 bomb, but it will not give you so much money depending on how much you are putting. So people used to put it at 2 bombs, but 23 mines, right? So you have to choose 23 mines correctly. But now it's not compulsory for you to choose all 23 mines correctly. You can just choose maybe 2 or 1 and cash out your money, right? So minimum lot size is 10. Minimum amount to choose is 10. There's 20 Naira there, right? Then the maximum is 1,000. So minimum is 10. You can increase your bet amount to like maybe 20 or 50 Naira, right? 20 Naira, and you click on OK. Now when you click on OK, you show that okay, you want to bet with 20 Naira on this 2,000 Naira. Let's click on what bet. Now what we want to do is to only choose the mine. So click on it, we add that. We have made 60 cents here. Click on it, you see it. We've gotten 2 now. You can see 2 hits, 1.12. Click on it. We've gotten 3 hits, 1.23, right? This total of 24 Naira. We can click on cash out. So we've added 4 Naira on our this. You can see that there are plenty mines. You can see where the bombs are. Another thing is, let's rebet again. This place that this bomb is now. Another thing to take note is always take note of where they are. They will not be there again. They will change location. We'll click on bet again. This bet, that bomb was in this place and this place. So I'll choose it. You can see it's no longer there again. You can see it's no longer there again. You can see it's no longer there again, right? And I'll click on cash out. You can see it. The bombs are now in this place. So the next thing to do is to play the game again. Now you choose this place that these bombs are. This is a secret that I'm showing you now. Increase it to 15 Naira and press OK. Now let's play a bet now, and I'm going to choose where these bombs are. You can see that I've just won 18 Naira. You see that it's not there. You see that it's not there. Oh, I just lost 15 Naira. It's in that place. Let's bet again. It's in that place again. So most times you can reduce the amount, right? Choose somewhere else. Oh wow, 2 in this side. Choose somewhere else. 1. You can even cash out that one that you just made, right? You can see where they are. They spread it 1 here, 1 there. So you can cash out even if it's 1 you are making. Don't be greedy. 1, 2. You can cash it out. 2 hits, right? You can see where they are. They were not all in that place. So it has to take serious mind. So if you know where they are, you can always increase your money, you can reduce your money, but don't just be greedy. Just choose randomly, right? Cash out. So you can keep doing like that. You'll be making your money till you increase your money, right? Let's choose another game. I'm just going to show you like one more game, like that tiger now. Like that tiger now. Fortune tiger. Let's pin fortune tiger so you can see it. I don't want to really take time, but the more the money you stake, the more you are going to win. Do you understand? So get started. This fortune tiger now, reduce the money to to like maybe 2 and then reduce to 15 naira, right? Okay, then you confirm. Now if you spin, it's going to be 15 naira and place it. Nice. I just want 18 naira now, right? I'm going to spin again now. Nice. I just want 13 naira. So that is how the game is. If you keep on winning like that, but it's because of I'm using 15 naira. If I depending on what I'm doing, right, that will determine the money I use, that will determine how much I am winning. Do you understand? Depending on the money I use, that will determine how much I'm winning. I lost this one, so I'll just keep playing. Yeah. Do you understand? 13 naira again. Keep playing. Just use the smallest money, right? So they always give like a future spin so that if you win, you eat a lot of money, and then you can change game. You can use different games, right? But I prefer that mine. Mine is actually much better. So right. Keep collecting more cards. I wish he completed 3 here. Nice. So 15 naira, right? So this 15 naira, if you use good money, it would have been a huge amount, right? So that's how the game actually works, right? So to know more about all these games, if you like to ask questions, you can join the group link I'm going to put over on my comment section. Click on the link to register, or you can just simply chat me up to ask questions. Right now I'm going to go double up my money with mine for other games, right? So I'm going to use mine to double up my money back to 2k. See you guys. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like and share to your friends. If you already play this game, or if you already know about it and you make money from it, kindly comment on the comment section your experience of this game, and also share with your friends. Okay, I'm going to show you other people that are on my group that I belong to that are actually winning from this, so you see what they're actually making, and you can really withdraw the money. Do you understand? So thanks for joining, guys.